of the load, we have to define the mass source. All right, for that, go to define and click on mass source, that is over here. So why we need mass source while applying the seismic load on the building? So the ETABS will calculate the base shear. Okay, so to calculate the base shear, we need the total weight of the building. So in order to calculate the total weight of the building, so this mass source option is required. Okay, so we'll just edit this mass source over here. So modify show mass source, we can change the name over here, and here uncheck these two options and click on specified load patterns, and click on dead, click on a multiplier, click on 1. So it means that all the dead load will be added while calculating the total mass of the building, and click on live. If you see IS 8093 part 1 2002 and table 8, so you can see that if the intensity of the live load is up to and including 3 km per meter square, that is less than or equal to 3 km per meter square, in that case only 25% of the imposed load is considered while calculating the seismic weight of the building. All right, so if the live load intensity is more than 3 km per meter square, then 50% of the load is considered. Okay, so we have to tell ETABS this thing, so for which mass source is required. We gave the live load of 2 km per meter square, so we'll just give the factor of 0.25 and click on add. So next is wall load, so we'll give the factor of 1, that is all the wall load will be added. Parapet load 1 is fine, partition 1 is fine, so floor finish is 1. So roof light, so what happens is that when there is earthquake, we assume that the people are not on the roof. That is just an assumption. Okay, some people might not do. Okay, so they might just prefer to stay there or just take selfies or take videos so that they can post on social media or anywhere, right? Okay, so it depends, right? Also so the multiplier is 0, so click on add, and we don't add earthquake loads. So after that, just click on OK and click on OK. So we have